Are you dealing with ants in your home? It's time to get rid of them using a homemade ant bait mixture using borax. Let's jump right into it. Does borax kill ants? The answer is yes. It's actually very effective at killing most insects, including ants. The big issue is ants are not naturally attracted to borax, and in order to kill them, you need them to consume the borax. So, how do we do this? We need to get a little creative and make a mixture that is attractive to ants and will trick them into consuming the borax. What I've found to work best is you take 1 to 2 tablespoons of borax and mix just enough water that the borax dissolves. You might have to give it a little bit of a stir. And then from there, you add enough sugar in that the mixture becomes a dry paste like solution rather than standing water in the mixture. This is usually around 6 tablespoons of sugar, but it can depend on how much borax and how much water you added to your mixture. I like to make these on little paper plates or somewhere that ants can easily crawl up and into. And that's it. Your mixture is done. But now we need to talk about the placement of your mixture. You do want to be careful with your placement because borax can be toxic to pets and small children and even adults, depending on how much is ingested. So I would suggest placing these bait mixtures on your countertops or somewhere that is out of reach of pets and children while still being accessible by ants and in an area where you've noticed ant activity. I like to place mine on my countertops in my kitchen. This is usually where I notice ants, and it's out of reach of my dog. Once placed, just leave it there for a day or two. You'll notice ants becoming attracted to this mixture, and you'll see increased activity for the next day or two. The ants will then consume and grab some of this mixture and bring it back to the colony, which will then kill the individual ant as well as the entire colony. You'll really begin to notice an improvement in less ant activity after the 2 day to the week mark. But if you're noticing that ants aren't really being attracted to the mixture, you can sprinkle additional sugar into the mixture or even some honey or something else to give it an added boost and make it more attractive to the ants in your kitchen. This mixture is easy enough that you can make multiple and place it around your house. You might need to refresh it if you notice that the ants have completely wiped it out, but generally the colony will be killed before that happens. Overall, I hope this video is helpful. Go test out this mixture, and if it works for you, leave a comment on your experience. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video. If you're looking for additional pest tips, please visit thepestinformer.com.